Greetings, productive programmer. I feel good when I can locate quick quality mini reads that get straight to the point, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips and 3 amazing resources to do just that and become a better JavaScript developer. So let's jump in. Tip number 1, write cleaner code. And this doesn't need to be overly complicated as it sometimes is. There's a million things you could do to write cleaner code, but some of them are more common than others. And I have an excellent resource for you to help point you in the right direction. Dominic Duke writes the 5 tips for writing cleaner code that will make you a better JavaScript developer in just a 4-minute quick read. I'll go ahead and include all of the resources from this video, of course, in the description. Before we jump into the other 2 tips, and I'll also have a bonus at the end, to join our community, and I know it takes a unique individual to hit subscribe on a small channel such as ours, but I'd appreciate you doing this. Follow the Productive Programmer channel or any of the socials of your choice, and I would look forward to hearing from you. I value your input so that I can bring additional valuable content to you to help you stay productive, driven, and energized. Tip number 2, know your sugar syntax. And Ken Hong writes an amazing article. I love this one. It takes JavaScript from ES6 to ES12. We typically, as JavaScript developers, reference ES6 all the time, but we never actually talk about everything that's come after ES6. But Ken Hong does an amazing job of taking us through the journey from ES6 to where we are today in a kind of timeline fashion where you get to see all of the features implemented over the course of how they were released in ES6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Knowing your sugar syntax just makes for a friendlier experience when writing JavaScript. Sugar syntax can sometimes eliminate several lines down to just one simple line. It kind of circles back to our first tip, which is writing cleaner code. So check out that journey from ES6 to ES12, and I'll link that resource below. And tip number 3, learn to debug like a pro with JavaScript. And this is a 3-minute quick read. This is a really nice article. Even if you are already familiar with how to use your dev tools, this goes into a couple of features in the dev tools that developers are not commonly utilizing, and it will help you debug like a pro. So this is a great article to check out and a quick read. Highly recommend it, and I'm going to link this resource below as well. And a bonus tip, make sure you know how to use Google. This is a huge productivity boost. There are some great tips. I'm going to link another bonus resource in here as well that could be applicable to everybody beyond just JavaScript developers. One of the tips in this article I use all the time, which is to filter your search results to one specific site. So if you only want to see the answers from Stack Overflow and you don't want any other suggestions on how to solve the problem that you're searching for, you can filter down by site colon. And there's several other great tips in this article to how to Google like a pro. This will really help ensure that you can find deeper resources than just the top 10 links that Google serves to you by default. So this is a great resource to really dig into the internet and find the quality content that can be hidden on page 3 or 4. And that's all for this quick video. I appreciate you taking the time to subscribe and join our channel. I look forward to seeing your comments and valued input so that I can continue to bring you true quality content to help you stay productive, driven, and energized.